All right, guys, Monday, March the 9th, we are in Cummings. We are doing a second job today. Me and my ride along, Mrs. Stanley. I let Tavares go in early. So anyway, this is a client called me last week. She had her floors painted, and when they pulled the tape up, it pulled some of the finish off. So she's putting her house on the market, and she said, Courtney, I can't show this house like this. It's a nice home too, guys. So we just got through coming from, again, Alpharetta. Client was very happy, said they're going to write me a great review online. So anyway, let me flip this around and show you what we got going here. All right, guys, so we are in Cumming, Georgia. All right, and let me show you what we're going to be doing here. Just a living room, a hallway, and a small potty room. We want to tape off the areas that we're not doing. I will say, guys, it's been a great long day. Really good day. Phone has been blowing up. That's what Mr. Stanley said. He said, man, Courtney, your phone rings a lot. Yes, it does. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna tape off here because we're not going inside there. So this is what we're doing right here. We're doing this whole living room area, and as you can see, the floors are really not that bad, but they do have some scuffs, little scratches, and right there, see that, guys? She said, Courtney, I don't know what those drips come from. I think those drips probably come from paint thinner, and they probably ate through the finish. And then right there where you pull the tape off, and that's another little area over here. So what we're gonna do is tape off here. Stanley is setting up, screen this one room down, vacuum clean, and then put a coating back down. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, true. Pulled up in the driveway, client found me on Google. Painter's tape lit the finished floor looking brutal. Tried to patch it up, but it just wouldn't blend. Caught the right one, let the real work begin. Me and Stanley riding down from Carolina way. One day service, but today we let the floor lay. Screen and Recoat, bring the beauty back alive. Now that hardwood shining, looking fresh and alive. Hey, Truman, bring the shine back home. Smooth satin blow when the living room flow. ProCoat AquaPro, perfect match flow. Now the client just smiling at the natural glow. Cumming, Georgia, yeah, the work got done right. Screen pass smoothly, the grain looking bright. No UV today, just a clean recoat flow. Sometimes simple methods make the hardwood glow. From damage to beauty, yeah, we fixed that sight. Now the living room shining in the afternoon light. Clean said thank you, shook my hand at the door. Said these flows look better than they ever did before. Yeah, Truman, bring the shine back. Stanley on a ride alone, learning the craft from Google search to a satisfied home. Screen and Recoat, now the hardwood glowing. Yeah, Truman, bring the drum. Boom, boom, bring the drum.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. I wanted to stay behind to show you guys these floors. Came out amazing. My client loved them. Now, check this out. I will say at first, she was like, Courtney, was it shinier than that? And I said, no. I said, this is actually a perfect match. And let me show you what I'm talking about. See, guys, we had this taped off, and I showed her, and she was even impressed. We did not do anything over here. Look at that perfect match. We stopped right there, that board right there, and that AquaPro Satin finish, that is, I mean, some guys really, sometimes you could tell, anybody that walked in this house would not be able to tell that we stopped at that board right there. Look at that, Stan, look at that perfect match. From the part that we didn't do, can't even tell. Yep. That is a perfect match. So like I say, guys, it doesn't always happen this way, but it came out great. But overall, again, this is just because the painter, she's very happy. So she actually left. She said, Courtney, just lock up when you leave. She paid me. And that's, again, guys, that's something that comes with trust. When people trust you, they realize they don't have to watch over you and things like that. So the floors came out great again. We also did the potty room. We did in here. No, we didn't do it here. So we stopped that because you can see some scuff marks right there where we didn't go in. So we stopped at that board right here, and you look at that perfect match, guys. You cannot even tell the difference. They must have used AquaPro on this floor. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Another great day. Shout out to my guy Stanley. Tomorrow, day 2, we'll be in Canton, Georgia. See you in the next one.